This bathroom from 1990 got an update to 2025. Let me show you how I did it in the next 20 minutes. The homeowner bought the house 15 years ago and had been living with the clawfoot tub ever since. Now they're getting into some mobility challenges and are wanting to make this into a curbless shower. This pantry storage area is dark and unusable. I'm going to give them an all-new pantry here. Looking at the finished bathroom, everything looks brand spanking new. We have a curbless shower, Starfire glass that's super transparent, and LEDs everywhere so that there's no shadow in the bathroom. We have a beautiful stainless steel niche that's also lighted up. We also replaced the old window for more insulation value. Hello everyone, my name is Tian Ho. I'm the founder of Handy Solutions. We specialize in magazine quality bathroom, kitchen, and basement renovations in Toronto. I've been in the renovation industry since 2011. I'm an award-winning, top-quality craftsman known for my transparent pricing and have over 100 5-star Google reviews. If you're looking for a premium, long-lasting renovation and just can't find a contractor you can trust, I provide top-notch renovation service to bring luxury and generational value into your home. Check the links in the description to get in touch. We have the industry's best floor protection throughout the entire house, from when you first step into the door all the way to the bathroom. This is done to make sure we can give the house back to the homeowners in a state that's cleaner and undamaged than before we started. The main area to be demolished is the bathtub, vanity, toilet, the floor, and this nook for storage. Removing the pedestal sink, the toilet, and this nook was pretty easy. The bigger challenge is to get this tub down. After the plumbing is disconnected from the bathtub, we smash it down into pieces. This is done because the bathtub is super wide and must have been brought in before the doorway was put in. We're leaving the doorway in this case, so smashing the bathtub is an easier way to get the job done. There's also the glass railings that makes it very difficult to move the bathtub down the narrow stairs. That's why we're going through the trouble of smashing it down right here. We have to be careful not to smash too hard, as you can easily pop the screws on the ceiling of the first floor below. After around 30 minutes of smashing, we finally got the bathtub down to pieces. We move it down piece by piece and are able to zero the whole thing out. We're going for a curbless shower design from the beginning, so we're having to plan everything out right at the demolition stage. I carefully measure everything out so we can trace out exactly where to cut the subfloor and reveal the plumbing underneath. The tub's plumbing used to be in the center of the room, so we have to rework it to be placed on the wall. Look how much mold there is right here. This used to be this area, and the bathtub used to be here. So all the water splashing out with no waterproofing caused this. Now we're going to do it properly with all filter. After cutting away the first layer of subfloor, we discovered there's a second layer. This is normal for house this age. We go ahead and remove that layer as well. After the demolition is complete, I asked my electrician to come in and do all his rough-ins.